So how can you write a human handwriting on your iPad's PDF? Let's explain that. So before we get started with the video, ensure you are subscribed to Foxtecc because we have so many tutorials which I believe are going to be helpful to you. Okay, so now we need to establish whether or not you have the Apple Pencil. I mean, it of course works with finger as well, but I'm going to show it to you in like both alternatives. So on your iPad, you need to locate the PDF file. So the PDF is most likely going to be part of your Files app. So browse your local storage or iCloud in here and just locate the PDF that you want to write on. Once you get to it, tap on it and it's going to open up in different app in the preview app. This is how it works in iPad OS 26. And in here, if you have an Apple Pencil connected and paired, you can literally touch the screen and write on it with the pencil. This works fine and everything, right? But if you want to use your finger or if you want to adjust the color of the pen or thickness or style, you need to tap on the pencil icon at the top of the screen, right? So you click on this, more options are up here. As I said, you can tweak the color, you have the eraser as well. But now you don't only use the Apple Pencil, you can literally just zoom in and use your fingers, you can draw, you can do whatever, right? So that's how it works, and that's how you can start taking notes on or writing on a PDF. However, if you want to just take handwritten notes, using PDFs like this is not the best idea. For that, I would recommend you to get the GoodNotes app or Notability, which are designed specifically for handwritten notes. But that would be about it for me. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.